In this video, you'll learn how to connect your Phantom wallet to a decentralized exchange, commonly referred to as a DEX. By following these steps, you'll be able to trade tokens, provide liquidity, and swap assets seamlessly using your Phantom wallet on supported platforms. Start by opening a web browser and navigating to a decentralized exchange that supports the Solana network, as Phantom wallet primarily operates on Solana. Popular options include Jupiter, Radium, and Orca. Once the website loads completely, look at the top right corner for a button labeled Connect Wallet. This button is essential for linking your wallet to the DEX. Next, click on the Connect Wallet button. This action will prompt a list of compatible wallets to appear on your screen. From this list, select Phantom. Choosing Phantom will initiate the connection process between your wallet and the DEX, allowing for interaction with the exchange's features. After selecting Phantom, your Phantom wallet extension will pop up in your browser. In this window, you will see the website requesting permission to connect. Additionally, your wallet account, such as account 1, will be displayed. To proceed, click the Connect button. This action grants the DEX permission to view your public wallet address and request transaction approvals while ensuring that no funds can be moved without your explicit consent. Once the connection is established, you should confirm that your wallet is connected successfully. Look for your wallet address or balance displayed on the DEX interface. The Connect Wallet button will change to reflect your wallet icon or address, indicating that the connection is active. At this point, you can engage in various activities, including swapping tokens, providing liquidity, and trading. When you decide to perform a swap or trade, the DEX will prepare a transaction for you. At this moment, the Phantom extension will open a confirmation window. Take the time to review the token amounts and network fees associated with the transaction. Once you have confirmed that everything is accurate, click Approve to sign the transaction. This final step is crucial, as only after your approval will the trade execute successfully. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.